I bet your iPhone home screen cannot do this. Or this. How about this? But how? Seriously? Is this Android?
Wait a minute.
After switching to iPhone after using Android device for almost 10 years, I really miss the home screen customization because by default iPhone does not allow to place icons anywhere on the home screen. Here is how you can do it for free. Tap and hold anywhere on the home screen and the jiggle mode will turn on. Swipe right for empty screen and take a screenshot by pressing home and volume up at the same time. Then tap on page indicator at the bottom to show all home screen pages. Hide all the pages which you do not want to customize. I will hide all the pages which I have already created and keep only one single home screen to customize. Now click the link in the description or the pinned comment to install the shortcut to customize the home screen. Tap on get shortcut, then add shortcut, and a blue blank icon maker shortcut will be installed. Tap on it, tap allow. You can create blank spaces for entire home screen, but I will select few specific home screen locations. Then select the screenshot which we took in the jiggle mode, and now you will get the home screen grid to make the icon arrangement. I will create a cross pattern, so I will select the remaining spaces like this. You can create any pattern depending upon the number of icons you want on the home screen. Then tap on done, tap on no, tap install on home screen. You can name the icon pattern, but it's optional. Tap on done, then tap allow, tap close, and then tap on open installation screen. Tap on install. It will ask for your passcode. Install again and hit install, and you are done. Your icon profile is created. Swipe up to go to the home screen to arrange the icons. It is very simple to arrange. Tap and hold any icon and with other finger select other icons and drag and drop below. Then arrange the icons one by one where you created your pattern, and then tap on done. And just like that, you just created a custom home screen for yourself. The number of patterns you can create on your home screen is endless. You can even go crazy by hiding the dock icons as well. I hope you found this video helpful. Click here for more videos on Tech Perks by Pratik. See you over there.